Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Children, today the next topic that we will do in this video is about various contraceptive methods. But before teaching you about that, we need to know what are the properties of an ideal contraceptive. Okay, there are so many contraceptives in the market. So which one is the ideal contraceptive? So these are the various properties for an ideal contraceptive. An ideal contraceptive should always be user friendly. Whosoever wants to use it can use it by himself or herself. Okay, and they know they should not need any medical assistance for that. Next, it should be easily available in the nearby medical store. Next, it should be effective. Of course, if it is not effective, then there is no point in using the contraceptive. Next is reversible. It means that if a couple is not wanting to have a baby for 3 years, they will use the contraceptive. And after 3 years, if they want to plan a baby, then if they stop using the contraceptive, they can plan a baby, so that means it is reversible. Next, no side effect. Of course, we do not need any kind of side effects when we are using some contraceptives. And last, it should not interfere with the sexual drive and desire and the sexual act. Of course, it should not interfere with the normal functioning during the sexual act, and the sexual drive of the or the desire of the person should not be hampered by the use of the contraceptive. So children, the next is various types of contraceptive methods. As you see here, there is a list. First one is the natural or traditional method. Next, barriers. Next, intrauterine devices or IUDs. Next, oral contraceptives, injectables, and the last one is surgical method or sterilization. So let's move on to each one of them in detail. So natural or traditional method is when we try to avoid the chances of ovum and sperm meeting. So they are of three types as you see the flow chart. The first one is periodic absistence. Next is coitus interrupts and the lactational amenorrhea. Now what does this mean? Let's see. Children, periodic absistence. Now we all know that there is a cycle, okay, where the female or the female partner is undergoing a menstrual cycle and she is under menstruation for 1 to almost 5 to 7 days. Okay, so this period is called bleeding or menstruation. Now immediately after the bleeding or immediately after the menstruation, few days are infertile, and immediately before the menstruation also few days are infertile. So the fertile period is only from you can see here from 11th to 16th day. These are the fertile days of her menstrual cycle, and if the couple is quite educated and they know their infertile days, so they will try to avoid the infertile period. They will try to avoid coitus from day 10 to day 17 of the menstrual cycle, because they know that this is their fertile period, and if the coitus is done, pregnancy can take place. So they are trying to avoid these days, and this is called periodic absistence. So it's a natural method because nothing is being used artificially. Next is coitus interrupts. Coitus interrupt is a method also called as withdrawal, which means that withdraw the penis from the vagina just before ejaculation to avoid insemination. Partner male partner can control this, because he knows that now the ejaculation will take place. So immediately before the ejaculation, he will withdraw the penis from the female vagina, and insemination will not occur. And when there is no insemination, there is no chances of fertilization or pregnancy. So this is called coitus interrupt. Again, this is a natural method. Third one is lactational amenorrhea. Now children, lactational amenorrhea is the absence of menstrual cycle and ovulation due to intense lactation after parturition. Now the females who have just given birth to the young ones for for 6 months or for almost an year, they are not undergoing menstrual cycle. Now this can vary, this time period can vary in different females. Few females, in some females the menstrual cycle doesn't take place for 6 months. In others it may go for 8 months or 1 year also. So when after the birth, after giving birth, when there is no menstrual cycle and ovulation, so chances of pregnancy are almost nil. But we cannot say that it is always effective. Let me tell you this also. We will always use the word negligible. Negligible means na ke barabar. So chances, exceptions are always there. And fully feeding increases lactation. This method helps to prevent conception. This is effective up to 6 months following the parturition. It has no side effects, but chances of failure are high. As I told you, that there are many cases we have seen that even after the birth, within 40 days or 50 days, the female got pregnant once again. So this method, lactational amenorrhea, is not that effective in comparison to the coitus interrupt and periodic abstinence. So I hope this one point is clear to all of you. Next is the barrier method. They prevent physical meeting of sperm and ovum. Examples: condoms, diaphragm, cervical caps and balls. So we all know what are condoms. Condoms are made up of rubber or latex sheath. Condom for male cover the penis. For females cover the vagina and cervix. Condoms are used just before coitus. They prevent the entry of semen into female vaginal tract or reproductive tract. Nirod, a popular condom for males, is the example. Now, why condoms are very popular? The reason is it protects the user from STDs and AIDS also. STDs means sexually transmitted disease. It is disposable. We can use it and throw it. It can be self-inserted. We do not need any assistance, and thereby give privacy to the user. Diaphragm, cervical caps and balls made up of rubber and are inserted into the female reproductive tract to cover the cervix during coitus. They block the entry of sperms through the cervix. They are reusable. Spermicidal creams also can be used. Spermicidal means the creams which will kill the sperm. Jellies, foams are used along with these barriers to increase their contraceptive efficiencies. Okay. So these are the various barrier methods.